The title of our project is Automated Rapid Elephant Population Assessment using Pre-trained Object Pose Detection Model YOLO V8S Pose. This project was done by Murendi Rampai and Mangwale. So one of the main objectives of the Conservation Ecology Research Unit's Elephant Research Program is to understand the population dynamics of African Savannah elephants to better inform their decisions relating to conservation efforts. And this involves estimating key population metrics such as reproduction and age-specific survival rates. So CERU has developed the Rapid Elephant Population Assessment Technique, also called REPA, which currently involves manual counting and measuring of elephants from images. So they measure the back length of the elephant, and this is used to estimate the ages of the elephant. The challenge with the REPA technique is that it is time consuming because it involves a lot of manual processing of the images in terms of measuring and counting the elephants. So this project aims to address the challenge by automating the image processing using pre-trained object detection models. So the objectives of this project are to identify the pre-trained models for detecting elephants from aerial images, develop a tool or pipeline for automated detection of elephants and measuring of the elephant back length from aerial images, and thus minimize the time it takes to analyze elephant populations with the REPA technique, specifically focusing on the elephant back measurement step of the process. And the research question for the project is, how can the REPA process be automated with the use of computer vision models? The dataset that was used consists of 31 images. 23 were used as input into the model for training the model, and 8 were used as unseen data for testing the model. The size of the dataset is 281 megabytes, and this dataset is part of a larger dataset of 30,000 images, and only a small dataset of this larger dataset was used due to non-availability of image annotations. And this data is collected by CERU from their elephant population surveys.
The methodology used for this project consists of 6 key steps, which include data collection, model selection, data labeling, model evaluation, visualization, and deployment. We evaluated 3 main models, which include fast RCNN, YOLO V8 detection, and YOLO V8 post-estimation model. We ultimately chose YOLO V8 post-estimation model because it met all our requirements for solving the problem, which was not only detecting the elephant in an image, but also measuring the back length of an image. YOLO V8 post-estimation model have the capability for both detecting individual elephants in our image and identifying the key points which we use to measure the elephant back length. For data labeling and training, we use TrainYOLO, which is an online platform for facilitating the labeling, training, and deployment of YOLO modules. We annotated the images with bounding boxes, which we use for detecting the elephant in an image, and key points, which we use for measuring the elephant back length. For training of our model, we use transfer learning approach on Google Colabs using Ultralytics YOLO libraries. Evaluation of the model, we used F1 confidence curve for both key points and bounding boxes. The two curves help visualize how well the model is performing in terms of identifying the elephant in an image and measuring the back length at varying confidence threshold. Our result, as shown in the pictures and in the table, is the number of detected elephant, predicted bounding boxes, and key points for each individual elephant in an image. And we also outputted table of data for detected elephants. Our model is able to detect elephant with an accuracy of 86% and estimate the elephant back length with an accuracy of 88%. In conclusion, the project successfully developed a tool that automates the detection of elephant and the measurement of elephant back length, streamlining the estimation of key population parameters of African Savannah elephant.
An app was developed to streamline the process of using the model to get the elephant back length measurements. So the app takes in an image of elephants, and then it gives a count of the elephants that have been detected in the image, also shows bounding boxes of the elephants, and then gives data regarding the back length for each elephant. There are a few recommendations for future work for this project. The first one being improving the accuracy of the model at detecting baby elephants, and this can be done by training the model with more images containing baby elephants, and also improving the accuracy of the model overall by including more low contrast images. And then the last thing would be to scale up the app for batch processing of images.